Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Data Studio Alternative for SEO reporting setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with your SEO reporting setup using a Data Studio Alternative, first, choose a suitable platform. Research various options like Google Data Studio, Tableau, or Power BI. Select one based on your specific reporting needs and budget. Once you've selected a platform, head to their official website. Look for a Sign Up or Get Started button and click on it. Fill in the required information to create your account. Ensure you use a valid email address to receive important notifications. After registration, check your email for a confirmation link to activate your account. Once activated, log in to your new account. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. To set up your SEO reporting, locate the Data Source Integration section. Connect your website analytics tool, such as Google Analytics or SEMrush. Follow the prompts to authorize and link your account. Next, choose the specific data points you want to include in your reports. Consider metrics like organic traffic, bounce rates, and keyword rankings. Create a new report or dashboard based on your selected data. Customize the layout by dragging and dropping different report elements. You can use charts, tables, and graphs to visualize your data effectively. Adjust color schemes and fonts to align with your branding. As you finalize your design, preview the report to ensure everything looks correct. Save your report and assign a name for easy identification later. If your platform supports sharing, set permissions to control who can access the report. Consider scheduling regular updates to keep your data current. Check for any automated reporting features to streamline the process. Lastly, consistently monitor the reports and make adjustments as necessary. With these steps, you are all set to create effective SEO reporting using your chosen Data Studio alternative. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.